Namaskar, hello fellow yogis. Welcome to Chotu Veda channel. Today in this video we will explore the meaning and significance of Ashtanga Yoga and why it is called as Ashtanga and wonderful benefits it's offer for overall health and inner harmony. Let's understand the Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga is a traditional form of yoga that focuses on 8 limbs or steps that lead to balance and self realization. Yoga has its roots about 5000 years before Christ, as described in Vedic philosophy and Tantras. Patanjali, great sage, composed this path in his book Patanjali Yoga Sutra. The Yoga Sutra serves as the basic text for in and depth study of this great science. Patanjali called it Ashtanga Yoga cause that is science having 8 limbs. The word Ashtanga is derived from Sanskrit where Ashta means 8 and Anga means limb, representing the 8 aspects of this practice. The 8 limbs of Ashtanga Yoga is Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan and Samadhi. Let's see the first number of limbs is a Yama. The first limb guides us to practice moral restraints including kindness, truthfulness, non-violence, honesty, and non-greed. Yama, it contains ahimsa, non-violence, satya, truth, asatya, non-stealing, aparigraha, non-possessiveness, brahmacharya, celibacy. Following these principles cultivates harmony within ourselves and with others. Second limbs is niyama, personal observances. The second limb encourages self-discipline and self-care. It includes practices like shauch, purity, santosh, contentment, tapa, endurance, swadhyaya, self-study, ishwar pranidhana, devotion and dedication. These observances promote inner growth and spiritual development. Number third is asana, physical postures. Asana refers to the practice of physical yoga postures. It improves flexibility, strength, and balance while also calming the mind. Regular asana practice brings vitality to the body and prepares it for meditation. In nowadays, doing the major asanas is Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation, Halasan, Matsyasan, Sarvangasan, Paschimotthanasan, Bhujangasan, Dhanurasan, Ardha Matsyendrasan, Padmasan, Mayurasan. Pranayam, breath control. Pranayam involves various breathing techniques that enhances the flow of life force energy within the body. By regulating and controlling the breath, we balance the mind, increase the focus and rejuvenate our entire being. Pranayam having 4 movements. First, in breath, it's called Puraka. Retention after in breath, it's called Antar Kumbhaka. Third one is out breath. It's called Rechaka. And number 4th is retention after our breath. Is called Bhaya Kumbhaka. And kinds of pranayam is Bhasrika, Brahmari, Morcha. Number 5th is Pratyahara. The term Pratyahara consists of 2 words, Prati and Ahara, meaning denying the sense of their foods, controlling senses from rushing towards their objects and thereby control the mind. Pratyahara teaches us to withdraw our attention from external distraction and turn inward. Through these limbs, we cultivate inner awarenesses, reduce sensory overload, and develop a deep sense of inner peace. Number 6 is dharana, concentration. Dharana is the practice of concentration where we focus our attention on a single object or point. This limb enhances mental clarity, sharpens focus, and prepares the mind for meditation. Dharana indicates broad-based field of attention inside the body and mind, which is usually understood as a concentration. Number 7th limb is Dhyan. Dhyana, referred as a meditation, is a continuous contemplation or concentration on the sacred object. Meditation is to be achieved like a lamp in the absence of flickering wind. Dhyan is the state of sustained meditation. It involves deepening our connection with the present moment, cultivating inner stillness, and experiencing a profound sense of peace and unity. Number 8 is Samadhi, transcendence. Samadhi is the ultimate goal of Ashtanga Yoga. It is a state of complete absorption and transcendence, where we merge with the divine consciousness. In this state, we experience boundless joy, love, and oneness. Samadhi is a Sanskrit term for the state of consciousness induced by complete meditation. Etymologically, the term comes from sam means together or integrated, a two words, and dha to get or hold. Thus, the result might be seen to be a acquired integration or wholeness or truth. Benefits of Ashtanga Yoga. In benefits of Ashtanga Yoga is divided in three types. First one is a physical benefits, second one is a mental and emotional benefits, and third one is a spiritual benefits. First one is a physical benefits. Let's see the physical benefits is Ashtanga Yoga strengthens and tones the body, increase flexibility, improves postures, and enhances overall fitness levels. It also boosts the immune system, improve digestion, and promote better sleep. Number second benefits is a mental and emotional benefits. Ashtanga Yoga brings mental clarity, reduces stress and anxiety, calms the mind, and enhances emotional well-being. It promotes a positive outlook, self-awareness, and emotional stability. Number third is a spiritual benefits. Ashtanga Yoga deepens our spiritual connection, fosters self-realization, and expands our consciousness. It awakens the inner self, ignites spiritual growth, and facilitates a sense of purpose and meaning in life. Last, we will see conclusion. Ashtanga Yoga, with its 8 limbs, offers a holistic approach to physical, mental, and spiritual well being. By incorporating ethical principles, physical postures, breath control, and meditation, we can experience profound benefits in all aspects of our lives. Embrace Ashtanga Yoga's transformative power and embark on a journey of self discovery, balance, and inner harmony. Thank you for joining this video on Ashtanga Yoga. Remember to subscribe to our Chotu Veda channel for more insightful content on yoga and wellness. May your journey towards Ashtanga Yoga bring you health, joy, and spiritual growth. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you, yogis.